Hi Techies, welcome to this video. In today's video, we'll see about how to do a Anypoint Studio installation and get started with that. So to install the Anypoint Studio, you need to download the in the Google from Google. You can type Anypoint Studio download and just pick in any one of the links and download this Anypoint Studio here. And there is a free 30-day free trial version, and also you can log in and sign up with your Gmail or with your contact numbers and create a account for yourself. So let's see how to do. It is the same with both. Let us select this operating system and click on the agree and download it. Meanwhile, it's getting downloaded. We need to check some hardware and software requirements for installing this Anypoint Studio. So here is giving the installation instructions for Windows. There are only few requirements that you need to meet in order to download this. Mostly it is a very advanced versions, so you need not worry about any other softwares required. So once you click on this studio release notes in the check prerequisites, and for this version we are checking the release notes and scrolling down to the hardware requirements of the system. So yeah, so this is the hardware requirements. It has three requirements. It should have a system should have a 8 GB of memory, 2 gigahertz CPU, and 8 GB free hard drive space. So this is the hardware requirements for installing and using the Anypoint Studio in your system. And software requirements, Java is coming along with the bundle, so you need not worry about that. And it is operating systems, it works in any of the four below it's given here, any of the four. So we are using Windows 10 and we are going to download. It's already downloading. And software requirements, earlier this Java has to be installed, but in these versions it is coming along in a package along with the zip file, and it's an adopt OpenJDK that we are using in this Anypoint Studio. So that's it. This version, the latest versions are very quick and simple and easy to use and install. So let's see. I have already one version installed. So let me show it. I may not need another version. I want to just show how to download the file. So I am going to cancel this version. Okay, to avoid this, you can see all the application files, configuration settings, and other plugins and packages, and all the jar files within this bundle. All you need is to just go and double click on Anypoint Studio application file, and your Anypoint Studio is ready and ready to use, and you can get your hands on started with the Mule projects. So click on run and then launch the Anypoint Studio. So while launching, it will ask for a directory or workspace where you want to maintain all your Mule projects. So you can specify a folder which you would like to have it as a workspace, and then click launch. So this is how we install the Anypoint Studio. It is very easy and fast, right? I hope this video would have been informational to you guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. And if you have any comments, maybe if you had any issues while doing the same way, you're facing some other errors, you can please comment it. Let us get back to that one as early as possible. Thank you.